government says that this is a budget for the middle class, the 12 lakh rupees for no tax, how much does it mean to the common man?
Now what I am saying, you have to understand, common men are becoming middle class. Today, rich people is on the one side, maximum chunk are becoming middle class, poor people are on the other side. He wanted to empower people, middle class is also important. That is where 12 lakh income tax exemption is going to help. That is where I am saying poor people and rich people have to join together. That is where P4. Additional support, additional hand-holding, mentoring, and giving everything for them is required. That we have to work. That is where Government of India also saying zero poverty. So these are all very interesting. We are all ignoring middle class. Middle class are having high aspirations to reach next level. When aspirations are there, how to fulfill their aspirations? Then government has to do something. That is the budget they have supported. So I can say 15-20%, 10% top people, 60-70% middle class, 20-30% our ratio of poverty. That is where now we have to measure 1 lakh income, 1 lakh to 10 lakhs, then go for micro enterprise, then go for small industries, small scale, then medium. This is where you have to measure how to create wealth for the people. That is where I am saying one family, one entrepreneur, one family, one AI. That is a game changer.
Naidu sir, how do you see also the rift now within Delhi between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress? During Lok Sabha elections, these two parties were together, but now in Delhi they are contesting individually. Do you see that?
Only one thing I am telling you. You are talking about ideology. I am talking about development. There is a lot of difference between the two. You be on the right side, not on the left side. Then we can move forward. Or otherwise you will be left side, you will be ignored, you will be isolated. Permanently you will be going further left side.
So they had predicted rift in India within the span of 2 to 3 years. Now we see a rift within the India bloc. Those who projected rift for NDA, there is a rift in India bloc itself.
No, what I am saying, I don't want to talk politics. Always right development is right politics. All of us has to understand this. Only sustainability create wealth. You want to create wealth, you have to more focus on development. Then you will get more money for servicing the issues. Then it will have a more and more advantage for politicians or country as such.
So
You are going now as a political blocks on political lines. I am going development lines. Future of the country is important.
Sir, jumping from Economic Times, you were talking about the top 10% should adopt down to
Bottom 20%.
30%. So, sir, how it can be done? Through CSR, through voluntary, or you are suggesting some legislative?
No, what I am saying, to start with debate, then CSR linking, then legislation is possible. Is it not our responsibility to uphold? And also, it is not your responsibility, social responsibility. Either you or rich people, everybody got this opportunity because of society. Even in society, some people are suffering. Is it not our responsibility? We came up because of that people. That is where I am promoting. Then legislation.
You said start with? You said
Start with the discussion, then go for CSR, adoption, voluntary, go for CSR, go for list, link it. Even you can give rewards on the basis of that. Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, even Bharat Ratna, all these things you give. Who serve the better way of measuring? You do that.
In some countries, people are adopting super rich tax. What do you propose?
No, that is also one more thing. What I am saying, ultimately, everybody has to give back to the society. That is a must. Otherwise, you cannot carry all these things one day. One generation will create wealth, next generation will destroy or erode. That is a different issue. Some cases it will continue. But ultimately, wealth is not on paper. Money should not be on banks alone. It should be meaningful. Everybody will be happy. Everybody will have a minimum living standards, quality of life. That is the best society one should visualize. That is going to happen in India. That is the model India has to produce for global community.
Sir,
Sir, Telangana has come up with a caste survey which shows that 50% of the residents are backward class.
more than half of the population.
No, nothing wrong in it. We have to respect sentiments. Caste is a reality, region is a reality, religion is a reality. How to respect all these things and how to carry inclusive growth by involving everybody. That is important for a good cause.
Delhi election is going to take place on 5th of this month. So what is your appeal? Have you campaigned for it or are you going to campaign for it?
No, I have done yesterday. Yesterday I have done. I am appealing Delhi voters, including you. You are having vote. Vote for BJP. Vote for development. Be on right side,
Sir, yesterday,
not on left side.
Sir, yesterday you met Telugu people. What are their response?
I am very happy. They are very jubilant. They will become a change agents now.
Sir, just
Now you have to. We are leading. You also follow me. What I am saying.
sir, the welfare, it is a duty of the government to provide the welfare amenities to the people. So actually you are withdrawing, the government is withdrawing from the welfare measures.
No, you are thoroughly mistaken. My message you have to understand very clearly. You are having, politicians are having the right to talk distribution of wealth when you create wealth. If you won't create wealth, you don't have any right to talk about distribution.